everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create gift card in Shopify. That you need to go to products. Under products we have option for the gift cards. There are two types of gift card that you can create in Shopify. First one is you can create it as a product, and then second one is you can create a gift card and send it over to any specific customer that you want. So I'm going to start with adding gift card as product. Click on this option, write down the name for your gift card. Let's say I'm going to write gift card. You can paste any text and you can upload media as well, and then you can offer different denominations. It means different pricing for the gift card. I'm going to take 100, 200, 500 and 1000 and click on save. Once you have done it, you can actually preview this gift card in your online store. So this is where my all products are listing. You can refresh it and you will be able to see the gift card in here. So for example, I am as a customer want to buy a gift card for my friend or for myself. You can send it to someone by checking this option. You can add the email of recipient, you can add the email, you can add message and the date which you want to send the gift card, and click on add to cart. But if you're buying it for yourself, then you can just select the gift card worth and then just add to cart and check out and pay for this gift card. That's how you buy the gift card as a product in Shopify. But if as an admin you want to send the gift card to a particular customer and you do not want it as a physical product in your website, then you can go to gift card, click on create gift card, add the value of gift card and add the customer here. I'm choosing any existing customer, let's say this one, and save. So a customer with this email will receive a notification about this gift card. Say I got this notification and I can use this code while checking out since I have this already in my email. That's how you can send the gift card to any customer without creating a product. Thank you so much.